Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log out of a YouTube account on your Android and iOS devices. So you use the YouTube application to watch a lot of YouTube videos. You logged into YouTube using a Google account, and now you want to log out of that account for some reason, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log out of a YouTube account in Android and iOS device in very easy way. So the first thing you want to do in order to log out from a YouTube account on Android and iOS is open the YouTube application. Once you open the YouTube application, you land on an interface like this. Here what you want to do to log out is tap on the account icon on the top right corner. Once you tap on the account icon on the top right corner, tap on the account. Then a pop-up window like this will open. From here what you want to do in order to log out is tap on manage accounts. Once you tap on manage accounts, your account settings of your mobile device will open. Now from here select the account that you want to log out from YouTube. Once you select the account, what you want to do is tap on remove account. So to log out from YouTube, what you'll need to do is you'll need to completely remove the Google account from your device. Once you do that, relaunch your YouTube application, then you'll successfully log out of all the accounts that you wanted to log out from your YouTube. So those were the simple steps in order to log out of a YouTube account in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.